time. This wheel is miserable. It doesn't like itself. Nobody likes it. It needs to go. It's gonna be given new life. It's gonna look great again. What's up, guys? This is Dan with Aza Auto Wheel. Today we decided to make a short video about our product, about the installation, our most popular steering wheel. And today we have a BMW E90, and we're going to be showing you guys the steps to install a steering wheel. And before we go any further with this, so right now what we have here is original steering wheel. It's actually pretty thin after you drive with one of our steering wheels. When you actually go back to this stock thing, it feels really thin. Today we're going to be trying to install and showing you guys this bad boy right here. It's a full Alcantara. It has a thicker design, so it's much more thicker, as you can see right here. It has M-color stitching, has red stripe right here. It has paddle shifter slots. So what we're going to do is we're going to be retrofitting the paddle shifters into this car today. Really changes the drive and changes the feeling when you drive the car. The first step is you gotta have the 10mm to unplug the battery to make sure there's no power to the car. Okay, so here's some tools that you might want to grab before you do the paddle shifter right here. So pretty much in order to remove the airbag itself. T10 right here is for our ground wire. When you're going to be transferring your harness from your steering wheel, it will have a ground little bolt that will need to be taken out. We also like using pretty much any size tool like that. How this works is there's holes on the E90 and E80 steering wheels right here, and there's a spring that lets go of the airbag here, and then getting our way to getting this airbag out. So here, if you can see, one side is out pretty much. Now we have to find another one on this side. All right, so there's a couple of plugs right here that you want to unplug. So there's only one way of this wheel going on, so you don't have to worry about remembering. There's a little line right there, you can see it. Now we're going to be installing paddle shifters. Here's the slots, and then so this is positive. All right, so here it is, all original part. We only use OEM BMW spec parts, so there shouldn't be any fitment issues. Two connectors right here. And now you're just push this in and it should click like that. That's it, guys. We got this thing installed. Looks very beautifully. Updates the interior so much. Looks so better than the original. Right here is the original one. And yeah, there's really no comparison. There's really no correct words to describe the difference between Aza Auto Wheel, this one right here. course, we almost forgot about our last step. We're A through Z, ASA, so we almost did forget to plug in the battery. Don't forget that.